हेलो एवरीवन। एवरीवन प्लीज कॉपी द नंबर्स। प्लीज अपने सारे नंबर्स कॉपी कर लीजिए। जैसे आप आपके नंबर्स कॉपी कर लेते हैं वैसे आप आंसर करने के लिए हैंड रेज कर सकते हैं।
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Okay. Your please copy down the numbers which are seen on your screen. These are the numbers, the clues which are given in red. Before we actually start the game, I hope all of you have read the rules. So quickly, anybody has got any doubt on the rule, please ask me, or I will just explain the rule so that everybody comes to know about it. See, this is nothing but an extension of the normal classic Sudoku, and this variant is known as consecutive Sudoku. Now, as I had mentioned in the rules, you find some thick lines on the screen in some of the connecting some of the cells. The lines are both vertical as well as horizontal. Now, if you see on the screen, for example, you find number 1 in R1C4 and there is a line below that. That means it is connecting to the other cell. So here in R2C4, the only number which can come is 2. Whereas here, for example, you find R3C8 number 6. Above that is a line. So the above that can come 5 or 7 or likewise. Only where it is 1 and connected to with the line, the number answer will be 2. Similarly, if it is a 9 connected with the line, the answer will be 8. All others, so for example, if 3 is connected, the other side can be either 2 or 4. They have to be consecutive. That is one. Second, you find there are many adjacent cells which are not connected by any line. Those cases, there will be no consecutive numbers appearing adjacent to each other. Okay, please bear this in mind. Shall we start? Yogini, I think I can start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll start with already whatever clue is given. Like for example, R1C4 is 1 and there's a line. So below that has to be number 2 only. Okay. Same way you find in R7C8 there is 1 and there is a line below that. So here also the number 2 only can come. Right. Now take over. Whoever raises hand, Yogini, give chance to everybody. As far as possible, don't repeat the person unless there is nobody else who has raised a hand. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Start.
Will you Shriram ji?
Sriram ji.
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Very good
Sir,
morning.
R2C9 will be 1.
R2C9 will be
1.
R2C9 will be 1 by default. Very good. This will, let me tell you all, today I have taken up this consecutive Sudoku online, which is comparatively an easy one. Not that it's going to be a cakewalk, but definitely an easy one. We are preparing ourselves for the harder times to come. So this should be not that difficult. At the same time, a lot of thinking has to be put into it. Right, next.
Right. Next we'll go to Amita ji.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
R2C8 7.
R2C8 will be 7.
7.
Why? Why?
क्योंकि ये 5 नंबर ऑलरेडी है वो बुक्स में.
Exactly. So always when you give an answer, you will give it with the explanation. So 6 consecutive numbers are 5 and 7, but 5 cannot come here, so only 7 has to come here. Very good. Next.
Right. We'll go to Malika ji.
Malika ji.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Good
Yogi.
morning.
Good morning, everyone. R7, C1 will be 8 by default.
R7, C1 will be 8 by default. Very good. Absolutely right. Okay.
We'll go to Ratna ji.
Ratna ji.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
Yeah.
अच्छा, ये आपका R7C7 में 7 आएगा because that is the only place for 7. R7C7.
R7C7 7 is over already. Yeah. Next.
I have not heard, that is why I am repeating.
Oh, okay. Okay. It is over. It is over. Next.
Okay. Bhushan ji.
Sir, one thing I want to say,
Uh,
if anybody wants this Excel, I can give it now.
just check it with the members whether they want an Excel. But will it consume time?
I can send it just now only. It is
Okay.
ready.
Yeah, you will be sending it where in the group?
Group. Sudoku group.
I put it to the members, or if they are comfortable with this, fine.
Okay.
Anyhow, okay. Next.
I'll come back.
Yeah. Okay. Next.
Next, we'll go to Binduji.
Yes,
Binduji.
namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, R9, C3, 6.
R9C3 will be 6. Why?
Because 8 can't come.
8
Or-
can't come. So, okay. Fine. Fine. So, it's comparatively, as I told you, easier, but then it is mainly to get a grasp of things. Okay. Next.
Mallikaji.
Malika ji, in
Yes,
form
sir.
today. Very good.
R9, C2 will be 2. By default.
R9C2 will be
2, 2.
will be 2 by default. Yes.
Yes, sir.
2 has to.
Because
Two can come here also, na?
No, R3, C3 also is, I don't want to give out the answer, but that I should have done earlier.
Okay, okay. So here by default only 2 can come. So your answer that this has to be 2. It's absolutely wonderful observation. Very good. Very good. Next.
Okay, Ratnaji.
I hope people have understood what Malika madam
Yes,
has said. If
again,
anybody has not
R3,
understood,
C3 will be 2.
R3C3 is 2. Yes, it is put by default. Correct.
Shailajaji.
Yeah, she told already.
Yeah, okay.
Shri Ramji.
Yes, sir. R8 C9 will be 6.
R8 C9 will be
6.
6.
Yes.
Why 6 can come here also?
No, 7 is above now, sir. It cannot come.
Huh?
Above that 7 is there.
What minute? अरे ये किधर गया है? 1 minute, 1 minute. So if 6 comes here, why 6 cannot come here?
Because 7 is there above.
No, but there's no line, no, there's no thick line.
Okay.
No. See, I want to know the answer from you. See, you said 6 will come here, but right?
Yes.
Okay. I asked you why 6 cannot come here. So your answer was 7 is above it, right?
Yes.
There is no line between this and this. Still, you may be right, but I want to hear the actual explanation from you. See, okay, I grant it to you. What you should have explained is not because 7 is above that. You should have clearly explained that 6 cannot come here because. Do you want me to tell this?
Yes, sir.
See, what happens is if you put 6 here, for example, you tell me in what way this is wrong. I cannot have a 7 here. Below this 6, is there a line? Yes. So I cannot have a 7 here, but I can have a 5 there, na?
Yes.
So think it over and tell me. You still may be right, I'm telling you, but I need a proper explanation. You got my point, na?
Yes, sir.
I hope you have understood.
Yes,
See,
sir. Yes.
Yeah, 6 can come here, as you said. 6 can come here, as I said, because if 6 comes here, then the consecutive number is 7 and 5. 7 cannot come because it is already there in that box itself. 5 can come here. Whereas, as you said, 6 can come here, in which case 5 will come here. So think it over and tell me. Okay?
Okay.
Please think it over. Right. Next.
Okay, we'll go to Chandani ji.
Yes, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So R9C1 should be 1. If I've just joined now, so if what I've understood, R9C1 will be 1. Is it right?
Okay. So it is more of you're asking rather than telling, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I just joined now.
Yeah,
I'm
fine,
just
fine. I
understanding.
hope you have understood the rules.
Yeah. That's why I'm just confirming whether it's right or wrong.
No, I wouldn't say at this stage whether it is right or wrong, but I can very much tell you that the 1 can come here as well as 3 can come here.
Or any one of the consecutive numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. Got
So
it.
1 can come or 3 can come.
Okay, okay. So I
It
understood
will
now.
be right, but I will not at this stage tell
Okay,
you.
okay. I thought
Okay.
only. Okay,
Fine,
okay,
fine.
done.
So any consecutive number. Yeah.
Any consecutive number. Okay, because
Yeah.
I joined in late, so I was
No
not
problem,
sure.
no problem, no problem. Next.
Okay, next we'll go to Pramila ji.
Who?
Pramila ji.
Ramila ji. Yeah. Hello.
Pramila ji. I think वो नहीं है. Cecilia
नहीं
ji.
है दूसरा कोई?
Yeah.
Cecilia.
R5 C1 will be 7.
R5 C1 will be
7.
7. Why?
Because in that down R6 row there is 7.
No, 7 is here in this row, agreed. Why
Yeah.
5 cannot come here? Why 5 cannot come here?
5 can also come. Okay,
So think it over.
okay,
You
thank
may
you.
be right. I'm not saying by asking
Yeah,
you a
yeah.
question, I'm not telling that you people are wrong. But
Okay, okay.
I want you all to develop the, the process of justifying your answer. Okay?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Fine. Next.
Anushree ji.
R7 C5 will be 2.
R7 C5
Will be 2
will be 2. Why?
because in 8 and 9 there are 2,
Correct.
and 2 cannot come in 6 because 7 is adjacent.
Oh, here.
Uh,
Here 2 can come, na?
I cannot see, my hand is there.
Yeah, please, Yogini.
Yogini,
Yeah.
if you can lower. 2 cannot come there
Why?
because 7 is at the side.
So what? It is not having a line there, na?
Oh, there's no line.
No line there, so it has nothing to do with
I thought there was a line.
Yeah, there is no line here. So 2
Okay.
can come here also.
Okay,
2
okay,
can come
I'm
here.
sorry.
Also. Think it over. Think
No,
it
there
over.
is a
I
line.
hope.
Okay. We'll go to Malika ji.
Yes. R2 C2 will be 6. R2 C2 will be 6.
Sorry.
Hello,
Sorry.
who is this giving answer?
Malika
R-
ji.
Malika ji. Okay.
R2 C2 will be 6.
Why?
Six.
Why?
Because if you put 6 on the top,
Ah,
because there are only 2 places, 6 on the top, 7 or 8 has to come down.
yeah.
So that cannot be done.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. See.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Huh? I really appreciate. See, this box, there is a place for 6 only either here or here. Because in here 6 cannot come because down it is there. Here also 6 cannot come, down it is there. Now, if you put 6 here, then this has to be either 5 or 7.
7
Both
or
of
8.
which cannot come because 8 cannot come. 8 has nothing to do with 6.
Yes, 5 and 7.
5 or 7. But both cannot come here because 5 and 7 are already here, which means 6 has to come. Absolutely brilliant answer, madam. Very good.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
sir. Thank you, sir.
I think if I have got any doubt, I can check with you, Malika.
Right. We'll go to
Okay,
Cecilia
good.
ji.
Oh, no, no,
Brilliant.
not now.
Yeah.
Achha.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. R1 C2 will be 7 now.
R1,
C2 will be 5, 5.
R1, C2 will be 5. Why it cannot be 7?
7 is there in that down row,
Where?
so
Where? 7
again,
can also come there, na?
yeah, again problem. Okay.
Yeah, it's not problem. It's a thrilling, enjoying a challenge.
Yeah.
That's how you should look at it. Where's the Bhushanji? Where's Vishwajyoti? I think Sneghnath had informed he is not there. Ishwar is not there. I was trying to contact him also. Fine. Any newcomers? What is important is you should enjoy what you are doing.
Vishwajyoti ji.
Good morning, Yogini. Good morning, Shekhar sir. कैसे हैं
Good
sir?
morning. That's fine, buddy.
Thank you, sir. Sir, by default R1 C5 में 6 आएगा.
R1,
C5
में by default will be 6. Very good.
6 आएगा, yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Next.
Okay. Next we'll go to Bhushan ji.
By default, R2 C1 9.
By default, R2,
R2,
C1, 9.
C1.
Yes, yes, 9. Because 9 has to come somewhere here, which means it will come here. So it has got to come here only. Very good. Sir, always give explanation, sir, please. Okay. Yeah, no, explanation दीजिए always.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, because यहाँ पे by default 9, but we have to tell members that 9 cannot come here because it has to come here. So always explanation दीजिए. Very good. Next.
रजनी जी
Hello,
Yeah.
I have joined for the first time Sudoku, तो
Okay.
मुझे उतना सब
पूछिए ना, हम गाइड करेंगे. पूछिए.
So I just want to know actually more. Just I don't know how to. So more
क्या
explanation.
जानना चाहती हैं आप, बोलिए.
ये कैसे खेलते हैं यही मुझे नहीं मालूम. I'm just learning
ये
that.
आप नॉर्मल क्लासिक सुडोकू खेले हैं.
ओके अवेलेबल है सर के पहले क्लासेस बिगनर फ्रेंडली क्लासेस ऑन यूट्यूब। तो प्लीज हमारे ख्याल के यूट्यूब चैनल पे जाइए, वहाँ पे आपको सुडोकू के रिलेटेड सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे फ्रॉम बिगनर टू मिड लेवल। तो आप वहाँ पे एक बार जाके सीख सकते हैं। अभी के लिए ये जो हमारा सुडोकू है ये एडवांस्ड है, थोड़ा हार्ड हो जाएगा अभी एक्सप्लेन करना, बट आप देख सकते हैं, आप गेस कर सकते हैं कि आप किस तरह से आंसर दे रहे हैं मेंबर्स, एंड यू कैन लर्न दैट वे एज ऑफ नाउ। ओके, विल गो टू नीना।
I just joined late, but I had read some clues which were given yesterday. I think R8 C2 should be 5.
R8
C2
C-
should be 5.
R8 C2. Yeah, it can be 5, it can be 3 also, na?
No, but 3 and 2 will become consecutive, na? One should be above the line and one should be below the line. So 3
Three?
and 2 can't be there.
So I would go to the extent of saying that what is mentioned in the rule, you are applying that brilliantly. You applied that. See, I had mentioned one of the clause, I think clause number 6 or something of the rule. I think पीछे क्या आवाज आ रही है? Somebody has put the radio on or something.
Okay.
Okay. Now, yeah, who was this who answered?
नीना जी।
Leena ji, hats off to you. See, one of my rule clearly states in adjacent cells, if there are no lines, then there cannot be consecutive numbers. Now, these two cells, ये दोनों cell में बीच में line नहीं है, which means these cannot be consecutive, which means 3 cannot come here. But since there is a 4 and a line here, obviously 5 has to come here. Absolutely brilliant. Very good observation. I mean, clearly following the rules. Next.
Yeah. Yeah. C9 R1 will be 2.
R1 C9. Here.
Yeah.
Can you explain? Please explain.
I think because R3 C3 has 2, and in the second one also R2 has 2.
Correct. But 2 can come here also, na?
Yes, it can come.
It can come there also. So shall we think a little and then put it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Next.
Okay.
We'll go to Cecilia ji.
R7 C3 will be 9.
R7 C3 will be 9 by default.
By default.
Yes, very good. Always explanation. Very good. Next.
Okay. We'll go to Chandini ji.
Yes, I would say R3 C5 will be 8.
R3 C5 will be
8, number 8.
Why?
Because in that box, row 2 will have 3 and 4. So the row 3 numbers will be 5, 7, and 8.
Correct.
So if I put in that the number what I said, you can't put 5 there because 6 has to come consecutive over there. 7 you can't put because 8 is already there in the next column.
Yes.
So
Brilliant.
only 8
Absolutely.
only can come.
Yeah. I mean, your full name, please.
Chandini Nalini.
Chandini. आप दो नाम से confuse करवाते हो मुझे. Okay. Absolutely brilliant. Now, before we proceed further, I want members to understand. चांदनी मैडम, आपका
Yes.
परमिशन से कैन आई गो अहेड एंड
Sure,
एक्सप्लेन टू
sure.
नंबर्स?
Go ahead, go ahead. You will explain better than me.
या ओके, सुनिए, मैडम का कहना है कि यहाँ पे 8 आना है. ओके, हाउ is what I asked her and she gave a beautiful, brilliant explanation. अब यहाँ के देखोगे ये दो नंबर, बिकॉज ये जो रो है, ये रो 2, इसमें दो मिसिंग नंबर है 3 और 4, यानी कि ये दोनों जगह 3 और 4 के लिए रिजर्व हो गया है. तो रह गया क्या है? 5, 7 एंड 8. तो यहाँ पे 5, 7, 8 3 नंबर बाकी है. अब यहाँ पे 5 यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकता है, क्योंकि 5 इधर आएगा तो ये साइड में 4 या 6 आना है. दोनों नहीं आ सकते हैं क्योंकि 4 और 6 यहाँ पे है. तो 5 इज रूल्ड आउट हियर. 5 इज ऑल्सो रूल्ड आउट हियर बिकॉज यहाँ पे अगर 5 आएगा तो भी यहाँ पे 4 या 6 आना है. वो दोनों नंबर नहीं आ सकते हैं, तो मतलब 5 इधर भी नहीं. तो अब ये जगह रह गया 7 एंड 8 के लिए खाली. अब यहाँ पे 8 तो यहाँ पे आ नहीं सकती है क्योंकि नीचे है, तो यहाँ पे 8 आएगा. Absolute brilliant. Very good. Next.
Okay. Next we'll go to.
I hope people have understood. If you have not understood, please अभी के अभी पूछ लीजिए. बाद में 4 नंबर भरने के बाद तकलीफ होगी.
Right. Next we'll go to Shashi ji.
हाँ जी, R3C4 will be 5 by default.
Now R3C4 will be 5. This is what we have found out. By default,
Yes,
it has to be
because 7 is in that
correct.
column.
Okay. Now we'll go to Anushri ji.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, earlier I had told you in that R7, C5 and 6. I was saying 2 will come
2.
in C5.
You said 2 will come here.
Yes,
I
because
asked you
next
why 2 cannot come here.
because next to 7 there's a line, no? So 6 will
No,
come
there
there.
is no line there next to 7.
Next to 7 there is a line at the
Where is
side.
that? Next to which 7? Here, this 7.
No, I can't see the.
नहीं, ये 7 के बाजू में लेफ्ट साइड में लाइन नहीं है.
On the left hand side of 7 there is a line.
No, there is no line. That is the, see, that's a normal box line, madam. ये जो box.
No. See, there's a dark line next to 7 on the left hand side of 7 in
Huh?
R7. In R7.
Is there a line? Is there a line there? Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So 6
Fine.
will come there
So you are
because
right. You are right. 2 has to come there. Okay, granted. I'm sorry. 2 has to come there. Very good. Sorry, I somehow missed out on the line. Very good. Okay. Thanks for correcting me. Good. Next.
Ratna Prabha ji.
हाँ, R6 C3 में 4 आएगा.
R6 C3 यहाँ पे.
Yes.
यहाँ पे 4 आएगा. क्यों?
Because R4 में 4 है and C2 में 4 है and then 6 के ऊपर लाइन में 5 और 7 में से एक आएगा. So only place is for 4 is 4.
Why? 4 can come here also ना?
Where?
हाँ, उधर भी आ सकते हैं. आप बोल रहे हैं R6 C3 में 4 आएगा. मैं बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे भी आ सकते हैं ना.
ओके सर. यस सर.
हाँ, वहां भी आ सकते हैं. सोचिए, थोड़ी देर में पता चलेगा आप सही है कि मैं सही हूँ. नेक्स्ट.
Okay. Bindu ji.
जी सर, R7 C9 will be 5.
R7 C9 will be
5. Because यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 ही नंबर आ सकते हैं, 5 and 6. लेकिन वहाँ पे R7 R8 C9 में
या ये दो जगह पे
R7 C9 में 5 या 6 2 ही नंबर आ सकते हैं.
R7 C9 में 5 या 1 2 7 8 4 3 भी आ सकते हैं ना. हाँ मैडम. हेलो.
R7 C9 में मतलब 6 के 2 ही कॉलम है, या तो R7 में आएगा या R8 में. कॉलम 9 की बात कर रही हूँ मैं.
नहीं, कॉलम 9 में आप कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे सिर्फ 5 और 6 आ सकते हैं.
नहीं, इन दोनों में 6 आ सकता है.
हाँ,
लेकिन अगर हम 6 R7 C9 में रखते हैं तो
हाँ।
नेक्स्ट नंबर हमें 7 8 या 5 चाहिए होगा।
हाँ बराबर, 7 8 नहीं आएगा, 7 या 5 चाहिए होगा।
7 या 5 है ना।
हाँ,
ऑलरेडी 5 नंबर है हमारे पास R8 में और 8 भी।
ब्रिलियंट ब्रिलियंट ब्रिलियंट। तो अभी ये बॉक्स में सिर्फ 2 जगह बाकी है 6 के लिए, या तो यहाँ पे या तो यहाँ पे। एंड मैडम बरोबर बता रही है कि अगर यहाँ पे 6 आ गया तो ये नंबर शुड बी आइदर 7 और 5। दोनों पॉसिबल नहीं है, 7 भी नहीं आ सकते, 5 भी नहीं आ सकते, तो 6 हैज टू कम हियर ओनली। वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट। थैंक यू, वेरी गुड।
Next, we'll go to Vishwajyoti ji.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, R3C1 is going to be 4.
R3C1 will be 4.
4.
हाँ, बोलिए explanation.
Okay. Sir, in this row, R3 row, just the numbers left over here is 7, 3, 9, and 4.
हाँ, 7, 3, 9, and 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3, 7, 9, 4.
3, 4, 3, 4, 7, and 9
Okay.
are left. ठीक है सर।
Okay.
तो 8 के पास 7 आना ये तो हमें मालूम है, और
Okay.
9 यहाँ पे है, और 1 और 3 नीचे आना है।
Okay. So,
column में।
4 cannot come here. 4 cannot come here. 4 cannot come here because we have seen it has to come either here or here. So
Yes.
4 has to come here.
4
Very
has to
good.
come here.
Very good. Very good. Good.
Thank you,
good.
sir.
Good observation. Very good. Next.
Okay, next we'll go to Payal ji.
Yeah, I think I have already done it.
हाँ, मतलब आप फिनिश कर दिए?
पहले मैंने 2 बोला था आपको, you said
हाँ
will.
ठीक है, अभी कुछ आंसर बोल रहे हैं?
भूषण जी।
नहीं है तो दूसरे किसी के पास है।
भूषण जी।
हेलो।
Yes.
R7 C4
हाँ।
number 3 1 cannot come there. 1 is
R7
already there in the row.
1 तो वैशाली ओवरों में ऑलरेडी है।
हाँ तो 3 आएगा फिर उधर।
तो what are the missing
R7
numbers?
C4
हाँ हाँ।
R7 C4
नहीं 3 क्यों आएगा बोलते हैं आप?
1 नहीं आ सकता ना उधर, 1 ऑलरेडी उधर लाइन रो में है।
नहीं 1 और 3 किधर बाकी है?
नहीं 1 और 3 बाकी नहीं है, नंबर 3 आएगा।
हाँ तो नंबर 3 क्यों, नंबर 5 नहीं आ सकता है?
सर 2 के नेक्स्ट में तो 3 आएगा ना कंसेक्यूटिव।
अच्छा सॉरी, ये 9 की वजह से। हाँ यस, एब्सोल्युटली राइट। सो ओनली 3 कैन कम हियर बिकॉज 2 के साइड में 1 नहीं आ सकता है। 1 इज ऑलरेडी आइदर ऑन द टॉप और ऑन द सेम रो इट इज देयर। करेक्ट, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू भूषण जी। नेक्स्ट।
Next we'll go to Shashi Gulati ji. शशि गुलाटी जी।
हाँ जी, मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई।
Okay, if there is nobody, then I would like to give a hint.
बहुत सारे मेंबर्स हैं सर।
हाँ, and raise the icon. I'm very happy.
चांदनी जी।
Yeah, R8 C5 will be 1 by default below the 2.
R8 C5 will be 1 by default. Below the 2. Yes, that has got to be 1 only. Very good. Who is next?
Okay,
एक बढ़िया explanation देने के लिए है. If anybody can catch it, nothing like it.
Malika ji.
Yeah, R3C6 will be 7 by default.
Yes, that is 7 by default. Very good.
Amita ji.
R1C2 7 by default.
R1C2 7 by default because 5 cannot come. So 7 has to come there. Very good.
Anushri ji.
So C5 R9 will be 5.
Will be
5.
5. Why? Give explanation.
Because the 5 is in C8, R8, sorry. R8 there is a 5.
Correct.
And 5 cannot come next to 7. That will have to be 6.
Yes. I'm very, very happy here. People are now giving superlative evidences, proof, and all. Very good. So 5 has to come either here or here. So madam correctly said 5 cannot come here because there is a line here. So 7 ke baaju mein 5 cannot come. So 5 has to come here. Good, good, good. So it's a clear indication that you are following the rules. Line bhi dekh rahe ho, and normal Sudoku is not being compromised also. Very good. Next.
Next we'll go to Shailaja ji.
Yeah. C9 6 C9 R7 5 by default.
C9 R7 by 5 by default. Correct. So it matches the line requirement also. Very good. Next.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, R6 C3 will be 1 by default.
R6 C3 will be 1 by default. Why it cannot come little up?
No, then 2 cannot come above. Above 1, 2
So
cannot come. 2
if
is already
one
there in
comes
the
here,
box.
one cannot come here for the simple reason, even if there was no 2 here, for example, अगर यहाँ पे 2 नहीं था और यहाँ पे 2 नहीं था, तो भी one cannot come here because अगर इधर आ गया तो दोनों साइड में 2 डालना पड़ेगा, which is not possible. So we have got an additional example also. Why one cannot come? So one has to come here only. Very good.
Okay, Manju Gupta ji.
हाँ जी, ये R6 and C4 4 आएगा.
R6 C4 वहाँ पे 2 भी आ सकता है ना? 2 नहीं आएगा.
2 ऊपर है ना?
हाँ, 2 ऊपर है तो 4 आएगा. Very good. Good.
Okay. We'll go to Ratna ji.
हाँ, R5 C1 में 7 आएगा. That is the only place for 7. And R6 7 5 now can't come here, so 7 will come here.
Okay. Granted. Very good. Now इसी के बारे में मैं कहना चाहता था और मैं अभी आप लोग को बताता हूँ. See, for example, 7 cannot come in this row, 7 cannot come in this row, so 7 is come. That's a logical, normal conclusion. How you have to think out of the box. अब हम सबको पता है इधर या नहीं, हम सबको पता है 4 इधर ही आना है, बराबर? See, 4 cannot come here. Okay, 4 cannot come here. 4 cannot come here because it is there. So हम सबको पता है कि 4 has to come here only. Do you all agree to this? I hope everybody agrees that 4 has to come. Now, if 4 has to come here, then automatically 3 इधर या 5 इधर आ जाएगा या 3 इधर या 5 इधर आ जाएगा, which means 5 cannot come here, which means only 7 has to come. See, this is what is called thinking out of the box. Okay, I hope you all understood. Madam ने जो बराबर बताया 7 and she gave a beautiful explanation. My explanation or justification was going little out of the way, out of the box, thinking since 4 has to come here, 5 has to be either here or here, which means 5 cannot come here. This is another way of thinking. Slowly you will develop that also. Very good. Next. Anybody next?
Yes, me, myself. Thank you so much, Yogini. Sir, R8 C6 4 आएगा sir.
R8 C6 will be
4
4 by default. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
Not by default, but there's an explanation.
Not
by default, sir, but there's an explanation.
Why it is not by default?
Why it is by default, sir?
Can 4 come here?
3 4 अभी आया
1 minute. Can 4 come here?
No, 4 cannot come here because
okay.
9
Can
and
4
4
come
is
here? 1 minute. 1 minute. Can 4 come here? No.
No.
Agreed?
Okay.
Can
That
4
way,
come
yes.
here? No.
Yes, sir.
So by default it has come there.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
by default.
I agree.
Yes.
Appreciate your explanation also. But
Sir, yes, sir.
it becomes by default also. Yeah.
Actually, I did it with other explanations, so that's why I'm sorry, sir. Yeah.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Next.
Yes.
Cecilia ji.
Yeah, R7 C6 will be 6.
R7
C6.
will be
6.
6.
Because it is next to 7. So
Yeah. Then not only it is next to 7, next to 7, 8 can come, but 8 cannot come because 8 is here.
8
So
is
that's the
already
reason.
there.
So that's the reason 6 has to come.
Yeah.
Yeah, next.
Bhushan ji.
R6, R6, C5 will be 3.
R6, C5 will be 3 by default. Very good.
1 cannot come there. 1 is
Correct.
already
1 cannot come there. So 3. Very good. Next.
Next we'll go to Bindu ji.
Yes, sir. R2 C5 will be 4.
R2, C5 will be 4.
Because
Yes, 3 by
already
default.
we have assumed 3 and 4 will come here.
And 4 has already
Then-
come here. So 4 has to come here only. Very good. Very good. Next.
Yeah, R5, C3 will be 4.
R5, C3 will be 4. That's what I told you by default.
Default.
Yes. Yeah. Next.
Shashi ji.
R1, C1 will be 5 by default. Because
R1, C1 will be 5 by default. Very good.
yes.
Okay. Anushri ji.
R4, C3 will be 5 by default.
R4, C3 will be 5 by default. So what does the other default automatically become?
Shailaja ji.
Yeah. R9 C1 is 1.
Is 1. Okay. I had a question.
Yes, sir.
When the other madam said R4, C3 will be 5 by default, immediately it opened another default. What is that?
I didn't get you.
Members, you can unmute yourself and answer sir's question.
Yeah. My
Sir,
question
R1,
is.
C3 by default it is going to be 3.
R5, C2 will be 3.
That's what. See, what I'm saying is, when you are giving an answer, immediately when you know this has come here, since this has come here, this has to be 3. So the next immediate answer should have been this. This is how we pick it up also, right? So this was by default. Now that makes 3 by default here. It cannot go anywhere else. Okay? Because 4 is here. 4 का एक consecutive इधर आ गया, दूसरा consecutive इधर आ गया. Sure. Next.
Okay. Amita ji.
R8, C1, 3.
R8, C1 is 3 by default, and that closes box number 7.
Manju ji.
Huh?
अच्छा, उन्होंने hand up किया. रत्ना जी.
Yes, it's already done.
Hello.
Done already.
काफी आवाज आ रहा है.
Shri Ram ji.
Yes, sir.
Sriram ji.
R1, C7 will be 2.
R1, C7 will be
2.
2. Any good reason?
Yeah, it cannot come in the last C9 because 1 and 2, there is no line between them. They are not consecutive.
Brilliant, brilliant. I mean, see, these are observations which not just make you happy, it satisfies you that yes, the rule clearly says when there are two adjacent cells without a line, they cannot be consecutive. I think that's rule number 6 or 5 today, which I had put in the group. So 2 cannot come here, so 2 has to come here. Very good, sir. Very good. Absolute. I mean, so try to understand what is mentioned in the rule. So that makes it a little easier also. Very good. Absolutely brilliant. Next.
Malika ji.
Yeah, R2, C6 will be 3.
R2, C6 will be 3 by
Yeah,
default.
by default. Yeah.
So, okay. Now, I did, I was doing a session for Kerala community on Thursday, last Thursday, where I tried something new. I would like to try that something new here also. Now, what I did was, I will ask a question. Before I ask the question, I want any 2 members to raise their hands. And they will answer my question. Nobody else will answer that question. They will answer. If they are not able to answer, then it passes on to others. So are you all ready for that? By which you all get an opportunity to give your answer. And if 2 people have answered now, then the next question, they will not be eligible to answer. So this is just a game we are playing whereby we try to understand At the same time, we get an opportunity. You know, it's like sometimes we have heard also people saying, मैंने हाथ ऊपर किया था लेकिन मौका ही नहीं आया. So, which are the two people who are coming forward to answer my question? Yogini, you just decide from that.
Okay. Should I down all the hands?
No, any two hands you pick up, preferably
I pick
those
up.
who have not answered so far.
I do that only. Okay. मैं Saraswati ji.
Saraswati ji is one. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. You are not answering. You are going to answer my
And
question. You are not going to
Nalini ji.
answer what is appearing there. I am going to ask a question. वो जवाब देना. Okay, who is the other person?
Nalini ji.
Sir, I wanted to answer R8C4.
Sorry, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
R8C4, okay, that is by default. वो तो इधर आ गया है. चलो, I put it as 9. Okay, okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So who are the two people, Saraswati and?
Okay. Then we'll take Saraswati ji and Bindu ji.
Bindu. Okay. Now, Bindu ji, Saraswati ji, ये दोनों को unmute कर दो.
किया.
Okay. Both are able to hear me, and I will also be able to hear you. Now, I have a question for you two, and try to give an answer, not taking more than a minute. Okay. Now, who among you is going to first tell me?
I, sir.
नहीं, that you all decide and tell the answer. वो जो पहला आंसर बोलते हो, ठीक है? Now, my question is, ये बॉक्स के अंदर, this is box number 5. इसमें number 5 किधर आएगा? Who is going to tell me? Saraswati or Nalini? Come on.
C6R5.
Huh?
C6R5.
C6R5. This is what you're saying. Who is this? Who is this?
Bindu.
Bindu. Okay. Why it comes there?
Because in C4 and C5 is already 5. And in R4, 5 can't come.
R4. R4, 5 cannot
R4,
come.
5,
Agreed.
5 can't come.
Agreed.
And there is again 5 in column 7.
No, my point is, you said 5 will come here, right?
5 will come here, sir. I am telling you. Because in column 7, 5 is already there. So 5 has to come in column 8.
Correct.
Column 8 में 5 आएगा. और क्योंकि रो 4 और रो 6 में रो 4 में 5 नहीं आ सकता, रो 6 में 5 आएगा.
अच्छा, अभी मैं एक सवाल पूछूं?
यही जगह बाकी बचती है.
नहीं, I am not satisfied with your full justification. There is a better way of. अभी मैं पूछता हूँ, 5 यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आ सकते?
Yes, sir. Because in column 4 and column 5 has already 5 in it. And row 4 has already 5. Row 4 has already 5.
Agreed, madam. आप बीच में column 8 का भी बोल रहे थे, तो column 8 में 5 can come here.
Column 8 में 5 आएगा.
तो इधर भी आ सकते हैं, इधर भी आ सकते हैं ना?
But sir, ये बॉक्स नंबर 4 में 5 नहीं आएगा. बॉक्स नंबर 5 में 5 इस लाइन में रो 6 में 5 नहीं आएगा, तो यही जगह बचती है 5 आने की.
क्यों यहाँ पे 5 नहीं आएगा?
यहाँ पे
देखो 5 इधर भी आ सकता है, इधर भी आ सकता है.
इसलिए नहीं आएगा क्योंकि बॉक्स नंबर 6 में 5 के लिए सिर्फ रो 6 बचती है सर.
मैडम, रो 5 यहाँ पे 5 क्यों नहीं आ सकता है? रो 5C8 में 5 क्यों नहीं आ सकता है?
कहाँ पे सर?
ये मैं रखा हूँ ना इधर, रो R5C8, यहाँ पे 5 क्यों नहीं आ सकता है?
यहाँ पे 5 इसलिए नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि सर पहले अगर बॉक्स नंबर 5 देखे ना, 3 के बराबर 5 नहीं आएगा, वहाँ 2 आएगा.
तो दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड हैव सेड ना. आप ये बोलने को तैयार ही नहीं थे. आप सीधा ये बताना था कि यहाँ पे 5 आ नहीं सकता है क्योंकि 3 के बाजू में लाइन है, तो 5 नहीं आ सकता है. दैट वाज द सिंपल आंसर. यस, योर आंसर वाज करेक्ट, बट योर जस्टिफिकेशन आई वाज नॉट हैप्पी. अभी समझ में आया ना?
यस सर.
सी 5 यहाँ पे आएगा, आपने बताया बराबर, लेकिन आपने एक बार भी ये बताया नहीं कि 5 यहाँ पे आ नहीं सकता है. दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग. Okay. Anyhow, good. So 5 has to come there. Right. Next, कोई भी दो जन.
अच्छा, ओके. नेक्स्ट कोई भी दो जन. विश्वज्योति जी and भूषण जी. Best
Oh
players.
my God. My
Yeah,
competitor
now,
is very
I'm
tough.
not going to give you more than a minute, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, दोनों unmute किए?
हाँ.
Yes.
Okay. Now, within a minute, I want you all to tell me box 3, row 3 में number 3 किधर आएगा? Immediately, I want an answer. दोनों चुप हो गए. अच्छा, भूषण जी ने, I think भूषण जी बोला रहेगा ladies first. Come on, both of you don't have the answer? Fine, leave it. Not that
And
you don't
next,
have the answer, but you have to think. You need a thinking process there.
Okay.
इसके बगैर नहीं. समझ में आया ना? यहाँ पे 3 किधर आएगा मैं पूछा था ये बॉक्स में. ये बॉक्स में इधर आएगा कि इधर आएगा? Okay, right now both of you do not have an answer. Next. Okay.
Shashi ji
Before
and
I ask any two person, और किसी को कुछ आंसर देना है तो अभी दे सकते हैं. बोलिए.
अभी मैं कैसे लूँ आंसर. ओके.
Now विश्वज्योति and Bhushan, you will not answer for that right now. और कोई देते हैं तो बोलिए, या और कोई नंबर के बारे में कोई देते हैं तो बोलिए.
प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में डालिए. अनुश्री जी ने कहा है शी कैन आंसर, सो आई विल गो टू अनुश्री जी.
Yeah, okay. Understood.
So 3 will come in C7.
Why?
Because 3 will come next to 4 in R4. No. Yes. See, 3 in R4.
मैडम यहाँ पे 3 आएगा बोल रहे हैं ना?
I can't. No.
4 के बाजू में ना?
You're talking in the third box, no?
नहीं, अभी मेरा सवाल ये था 3 इधर आएगा कि इधर आएगा?
On the left side, C7.
Why? Give me a reason.
Because 3 will come in the lower box, next to 4.
वो तो इधर आया ना?
Yes, and then in the last
इधर आया
box.
तो इधर आने में और इधर आने में इधर का क्या लेना देना है?
No, then in the last box also it will come in C9, number 3, in the last box.
Why it does come here? Why it cannot come here?
No, there 4 will come, sir.
Huh?
4 will come there.
4?
Yes.
4 will come here.
Yes.
Okay, so?
So 4 will come here. Then 3 will come in the 9th column.
Very good. Anushree, na?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you unmute Vishwajyoti and Bhushanji for a minute?
Sir, I can answer because 4 का consecutive 3 नहीं आ सकता था वहां पे, इसीलिए R3 C7 में 3 आना था.
नहीं, बट आप बताना चाहिए था ना तभी.
Yes, I'm sorry. थोड़ा सा
सॉरी बोलो ही मत यार. हम लोग गलती करके ही सीखेंगे. मैं भी तो see the explanation. See the thought process कहाँ से किधर गया है thought process.
तो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन यही था कि 4 से ऊपर नहीं आ सकता था. ऊपर तो आई नहीं, ऊपर वाली लाइन में तो 3 नहीं आ सकता, वहां पे तो 4 8 ही आना है, क्योंकि वो
ऊपर वाला
सर R1 C8 C9 में 3 नहीं आ सकता, वहां पे तो 4 और 8 ही आना है, बिकॉज R3 has to come in box number 1. That is final. Then अब यहाँ पे R3 C7 में 3 आएगा, बिकॉज 4 का consecutive नंबर यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकता, because there is no line.
Okay, fine. Now that you know the answer, now let me ask these two people, Malika madam and who was the other person? वो जो जेंटलमैन का नाम क्या है? कौन है? भूषण हो गया, दूसरा था ना कौन?
It was सरस्वती जी.
नहीं, सरस्वती जी हो गया. जेंटलमैन में कौन था? एस में स्टार्ट होता है ना, उसका नाम क्या?
एस से स्टार्ट होता है. सत्यनाथन जी.
हाँ,
सत्यनाथन जी.
हाँ, सत्यनारायण जी. ओके.
सत्यनाथन जी है नहीं शायद हमारे सेशन में.
नहीं है. अच्छा, नहीं, दूसरा कोई था यार, who had answered also. Anyhow, मल्लिका जी है.
मल्लिका जी है.
जरा उनको अनम्यूट करो.
जी.
And who else is the participants में से? I'll tell you. Let me see.
श्रीराम जी.
श्रीराम जी. Okay. Now. Okay. Mallika and Shriram ji.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Anushree madam had given the answer 3 should come here. Okay.
Yes,
She gave a justification. Are you satisfied with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fully.
4 and 8 will come in the top row.
Okay. So 4 and 8 will come here. Fine.
3 cannot come in R3 C9 because below that is 4.
So what? Why 3
So
cannot?
3 has to
Because
come
2
in
consecutive
R3.
numbers.
Yes.
Yes.
So 3 has to come in R3. Row 3, C7 R3.
Great. Now we have got 2 brilliant answers, one from Anushree, one from Malaika. Anushree madam ka thought process was highly commendable because she covered, I think, the entire, all these things she covered in giving the answer. And Malika madam ka, I would say that I would appreciate Malika madam here. I mean, with no intention of hurting anybody, but Malika madam's explanation was very simple. 3 cannot come here because there is no line, and the rule says when there are no lines in adjacent cells, consecutive numbers cannot come. So, Malika ji, take a bow. That is a wonderful answer. So 3
Yes,
has to
thank you,
come
sir.
here. And
Thank you.
Anushree ji, special thanks to you for the wonderful way you thought of that 4 has to come here, which means 4 has to come here, and which means 3 has to come here. That is also a wonderful explanation. You have taken us through this thing. I'm sure all of you will agree and bear with me my process of identifying 2 people so that everybody gets an opportunity, and a brilliant explanations are coming forward. Yeah, I am also learning quite a few from you people as to, because maybe I would have thought this is how we have to go, but thanks to you people, I am also learning quite a few new things. Great. I'm sorry. I'm proud of each one of you. Okay, now we go to the next one. Anybody? It's now open for all.
Open for
R5, C5 is 9.
Who is this?
Shashi Gulati.
Sorry?
Shashi Gulati.
Sashi, R5?
R5, C5 will be 9.
Yeah, give explanation.
Because there is remaining only 7 and 9. And 7 is already in row 5. Then it will be 9.
So it will be 9. Good. Very good explanation.
Thank
Next.
you. Okay. Anushree ji. Sorry, Anushree ji already answered. I'll go to Cecilia ji.
R4, C5 will be 7.
R4, C5 will be by default 7. Very good.
7.
Shailaja ji.
Okay, now my question to everybody, whoever answers first. Okay. Box 5 में, column 4 में 6 and 8 किधर आएगा? Anybody can answer.
Anybody can answer.
जो पहले hand raise करते हैं उनको मौका देते जाओ. One by one.
Already hand raises है तो मैंने unmute कर दिया है सबको.
सर क्वेश्चन दोबारा से बोलने.
सर
क्वेश्चन दोबारा से बोले सर.
क्वेश्चन है बॉक्स 5 में कॉलम 4 में नंबर 6 and 8 किधर आएगा?
C4 R4 में 8.
No, no.
1 minute, 1
R4
minute.
C4 में 6 आएगा.
हाँ, देखो अभी 2 जन में 2 डिफरेंट आंसर आ गया है. Okay.
6 आएगा.
Now who said 8 first?
Very confusing. Members,
Okay.
raise your hands, please.
Okay, 6 इधर आएगा. Prove it ना. 6 कैसे उधर आएगा? 8 कैसे उधर आएगा? कोई प्रूव करो.
Bhushan ji.
यार 8 इसलिए आएगा.
हाँ.
8 आएगा R4 C4 में. Because C8 में number left are 3, 5, 8.
3,
9
4,
नहीं आ
5,
सकता.
8, 9. 1 minute. C8 में.
C8 में 3, 5, 8 है नंबर ले गया.
नहीं C8 में काफी नंबर मिसिंग है.
फिर
C8
रो में
में
ना
3, 4, 5, 8, 9 इतना नंबर मिसिंग.
हाँ, तो इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ कि
हाँ, उसमें 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Okay. So 8 has to come here. So it will come here. Okay, I think
Yes.
Vishwajyoti was also saying 8 should come in R4. Okay, fine. So, Bhushanji and Vishwajyoti, you were right when you said 8. And there was one more madam also who said 8 will come there. So that's correct. See the explanation they have given. Now, the missing numbers here are, in this is 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Out of which 3, 4, 5 and 9 cannot come here. So only 8 are, because they are here already. So 3, 4, 5, 9 cannot come here, which means only 8 can come here. If 8 has to come here, then 8 obviously cannot come here. So 8 has to come there. Very good. Very good. Wow, the competition, I mean, sorry, the challenges bring forth the ability of each person here. Very good. Next.
Hemlataji.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Sir,
morning.
R1C8 में 4 आएगा. Because
R1,
C9
C8,
में
yeah, by default 4 आएगा.
C9 में
Correct.
already 4 है. Row 2 and 3 में already 4 है.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Good. Next.
Mariaji.
Yeah. R1, C3 will be 3 by default.
Yeah, that's by default. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. We'll go to कोई new members हैं. Ramaji.
R1 C9 में 8 आएगा.
R1, C9 is 8 by default. Okay.
Okay. We'll go to Rajni ji.
I'm trying. मेरा just 5
No
आएगा
problem.
उसमें.
No problem. आप select कीजिए.
Just trying because it's the first time. Just
No problem. Absolutely no problem.
okay. I'm just giving you the number. उसमें 9 आएगा.
इधर कौन सा?
C9 में.
C9 में कौन
C9
सा?
में और R3 में.
हाँ,
Last
that's
one.
only number left, ना?
Yeah,
ये
9.
box में एक ही number बाकी है 9. So
Yeah,
9 has
just
to come
9.
there. Very good.
Safe.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, now if you all see, box 1, box 2, box 3, box 7 and box 8 are over. So we will have to concentrate on box 4, 5, 6 and 9. और उसमें से box 6 तो काफी खाली पड़ा है.
Right.
अभी ये जो 4 के बाजू में क्या आ सकता है? 3 और 5, बिकॉज लाइन है. 5 तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे आ चुका है, तो ये ध्यान देना चाहिए ना. ऑटोमेटिकली 3 हैज टू गो देयर. राइट. नेक्स्ट. आई डोंट थिंक अभी लाइन वाला कोई बाकी है. लाइन वाला सब भर चुका है. अभी नॉर्मल क्लासिक सुडोकू है. चलो.
Rima ji.
Yeah, Yogini, you have given me a chance so late. मेरे पहले ही 4 बोल दिए, but still I will go on. I will let you know and raise my hands again, okay? अभी आप दे दो किसी को टर्न, I will just sort out.
Yeah, okay. Anybody else?
Right. We'll go to Manju Gupta ji.
हाँ जी, मंजू जी.
हाँ सर. सर बाय डिफॉल्ट इसके अंदर यहाँ पे इन कॉलम C2
हाँ.
एंड R6 में 9 आएगा.
C2 R6 में.
R4.
C2
R4
R4 में यहाँ पे.
Yes,
हाँ.
by default 9 आएगा.
9 आएगा.
क्योंकि इसमें दो ही जाएंगे 9 and 8. 8 cannot come here. Only 9 is just. Yes.
So 9 and 8 बाकी है. 8 cannot come. So only 9. Very
Yes.
good. Good. Good.
Okay. Thank you. We'll go to Maria ji again.
Yes, this is R5 C9. The number is 2.
R5 C9 2 by default. Very good. That was begging since long. मेरे को कोई भर दो. आखिर भर दिया. चलो.
Okay. Rama Bedi ji.
R6 C2 में by default 8 आएगा.
By default 8 आएगा. Very good. So now we don't have to look at column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. ये सब भर चुका है. चलो आगे बढ़िए.
Okay. Nalini ji.
Sir, R6 C6 will be 2.
R6 C6 will be
2, because in that box 1 and 2 are missing.
Yeah. So
And
1
R6
cannot come.
line has
So
already
2 has
1.
to come.
Yeah, so
Okay.
2. Yeah.
Fine. Yeah. Great. Great.
Thank
Next.
Okay. Rajni ji.
Hello.
Yes.
हाँ वो R5 C5 में
R5 C5 बन चुका है.
नहीं C5 में sorry C5 row I'm talking about R5 the
नहीं,
top one below the 7 no
That is not C5. That is C6.
oh C6 yes
C6 and that is
so
R4. Yeah.
yeah
Number
so
1.
I think 1 will come there.
Only 1 will come. Nothing else can come. See, ये देखो, this is a box. Okay. ये box में ये number छोड़ के बाकी सब तो भरेला था. See, this is the box. So only number left in this box is number 1. That is one way of doing it. Other way of doing it is ये column में एक ही number बाकी है. That is 1. So it has come there only. Okay.
I just get okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Come on.
Okay. Next we'll go to Anushri ji.
R9 C8 will be 9.
Okay. R9 C8.
Will be
R9
9.
C8 9. This will be 9. Why?
Because in 9 there is a 9 and a 9 has to come in the 6th box in C7. So
9
only
can
place
come.
left.
Yeah, the 9 can come here or here also, na?
No, but there only 8 and 5 are left. 8, 5, 9.
इधर 8 5 9 बाकी है ना. 8 5 9 ये 3 बाकी है. So 9
sir,
can come here also.
In
9 can come here also.
R9, in R9 in the last box, it is 4, 9 and 3.
3 4 9. Okay.
So 4
3
will
4
come
are
in
already
the,
there.
yes,
Okay.
4 is
Good,
there
good,
in the first box.
Good,
So
good.
9 is there in the last box. So 9
Okay,
has to come in the middle.
अच्छा अनुश्री जी.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
मैडम ये जो नंबर 3 इधर दिख रहा है ना.
Yes.
उसके लिए credit goes to you also.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Wonderful
you.
way of thinking. I mean,
Thank
brilliant
you so
way of
much.
thinking. Great.
Thank you.
Next.
Okay. Cecilia ji.
R9 C7 will be 4.
R9 C7 will be 4. Yes, by default.
Because in a C8 row there is 4, C9 row there is 4.
Yeah, correct. Absolutely. Next.
Shashi ji.
Hanji. R5 C8 will be 8.
R5 C8. This will be 8.
By default, because
By
5 and 8 are
default,
remaining.
Yes.
Yes.
5 and 8 are remaining. 8 comes here. Right.
Okay. Vishijyoti ji.
Yes. R6 C7 is going to be 9.
R6 C7 will be
By default 9.
By default 9. अब जो 3 नंबर बाकी है तीनों बाय डिफॉल्ट है. चलो कौन बताते
R4 C7
4 नंबर है, चारों डिफॉल्ट है.
R4 C7 is 6.
R4 C7 is 6 by default. Very
Yes,
good. और 3 नंबर बाकी है.
रत्न प्रभा जी.
रत्न प्रभा जी बोलिए.
R5 C7 में 1 होगा.
R5 C7 में 1 होगा.
और भी बोल दूं?
नहीं वो योगिनी मैडम को बोल दो.
शैलेशा जी.
R9 C9 is 9.
R9 C9 cannot be 9.
ठीक है. प्रेम जी.
It cannot be 9. It is अरे सरस्वती मैडम को भी देना.
हाँ, वो उन्होंने भी हैंड रेस नहीं किया है. मैं उनके पास जाऊंगी. प्रेम शरद जी.
2 ही नंबर बाकी है.
प्रेम शरद जी आप हैं.
ओके. प्रेम शरद पहली बार है.
हाँ, that's right.
दीजिए. पहली बार है तो दीजिए.
R9 C9 में 3 है.
R9 C9 में 3 आएगा. Very good.
Okay. Next we'll go to Nalini ji.
So R6 C8 5 by default.
R6 C8 5.
5.
Right. So
By
we
default,
have got
by default.
by default. Yes.
Yeah.
So we have got all the numbers covered today well within time. So shall we take it as though we have done it exceedingly well? or is it because comparatively it was easy? Whatever it is, we have done it. So a credit should come to all of us that we have managed to do. Now, I have a few questions because there are another 10 minutes available with us, or rather 7 or 8 minutes available with us. My question is, one, are you all enjoying this type of variants also? That's one. Sorry?
Members, you can raise your hands to answer sir's
Yeah, somebody, I think Bhushan ji का आवाज जैसा लग रहा था.
नहीं.
Okay, somebody was saying something.
Yes, तो कह रहे हैं chat box में. I just want him to answer से
Yeah.
लेके ना.
Okay. Now, one, I hope you are enjoying it. Two, ये जो consecutive Sudoku है, I am repeating. Yeah, somebody is talking here.
No, sorry. Vishu Jyotish.
Unmute कर दो ना for a minute. Okay. Now,
Hello.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Sir, every session of yours is really wonderful, excellent. And what other और कितने विशेषण मैं जोड़ दूं साथ में, मतलब मेरी फिर भी ये I cannot explain how wonderful, how excellent, how your session is really, मतलब like we get bounded, you know, और मैं therapy के लिए जाती हूँ and I come running from there, leaving a bit of my therapy. भाड़ में गई therapy, I have to attend Sudoku session 11 बजे, मुझे यहाँ पे होना ही है. Today I got 5 to 10 minutes late. लेकिन मैं इसलिए आपका explanation नहीं सुन पाई.
Let me just tell you one thing in
Yes,
very
sir.
short thing. I'll tell you कि ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है. So however good I may be in explaining or teaching or my way of talking.
Sir, आपका बहुत thanks है. आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से हमें सुडोकू सिखाया सर. And इतने variants, so nice. Thank you so much, sir. जितना thanks करें उतना कम है sir.
Put all these things in your feedback. What I wanted to say is, ये जो consecutive Sudoku का थोड़ा medium level अगर मैं दूंगा, so I can definitely say that you will have to break your head to do that. Are you prepared for it? So put it in your feedback. Are you prepared for a medium level of consecutive Sudoku, which definitely will be a little tougher than what we have seen today? So if so, please put it, then I can arrange for medium level. Otherwise, I'll have to give you again one more easy level of consecutive Sudoku, which will give you an additional practice. But medium level itself will be tough. I have never said this about any other variant, but ये variant का मैंने देखा है, इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. अगर आप तैयार हो, तो I don't mind giving you a homework of a medium level consecutive Sudoku. So, before we wind up, as usual, आपका feedback में जरूर डालिएगा. Yogini, ensure that the group is open for members to put their feedback. And second thing, any other quick question answer? Anybody has got? Yeah, this killer Sudoku last week homework. There are quite a few people who have said that they are finding it tough to crack it. What I will do is, I will hang on for a day more. You all do it. Otherwise, by tomorrow, shall I post the answer of killer Sudoku in the group by tomorrow? Will that be okay? So, put that also in your feedback.
Yeah.
So accordingly, I can decide what is to be done for that. Right? And thank you so much, each one of you. I just love all of you for the way you're showing the passion, the interest. That motivates me a lot. It goes without saying. So it's an honor, it's a privilege to be able to contribute. I mean, to share whatever I have learned. The only difference between you all and me is that, as far as Sudoku is concerned, I am a little more experienced. That's all. Otherwise, the passion, what I have, I find the same passion you also. So the confidence with which you are looking up to solving many things, these are welcome signs, positive signs for all of us. Right? So any quick question answer, or shall we wind up?
We can wind up because we have a meeting.
Yogini is ready to wind up. Yeah.
No, I just have to run for the meeting, but
yeah, okay, fine. So please, without fail, the moment this is over, put your feedbacks. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's session. We'll meet very soon in our next session. Tab tak ke liye, please take care of yourself. Thank you again, Shekhar ji, for this amazing session. You always give stimulation to our brains. Thank you so much for that. Thank you, everyone, and have the happiest day ahead.
Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notified for new videos.